Smoking bacon on the Traeger Pellet Grill or your Pit Boss or whatever smoker you have is so insanely easy, and it's a really fast smoker recipe. So this might seem a little bit weird, but what we're doing here is we're brushing the grates of the pellet grill with some olive oil just to make sure the bacon doesn't stick as it cooks. And then this couldn't be any simpler when it comes to ingredients either. We just are using a pack of bacon here, so about a pound of bacon, and a little bit thicker slice is better. I used to buy this brand and they were kind of nice and thick, and then the slices got thinner and thinner as time went on. So this is a good size thickness. Just the thicker it is, the longer it'll take to smoke bacon. So making the smoked bacon, like I said, takes about 30 minutes. It is really easy to do. I've done it at a couple different temperatures, but I just keep coming back to 300 as one of my favorite temperatures for it. And you take it off the grill. You could measure it. I don't know, bacon's kind of thin and difficult to measure with a thermometer if you ask me. But when it's crispy, done to your liking, that's when you take it off. Doesn't this look so good? I recommend it for burgers, breakfasts, and more.
So tomorrow's a little busy, but as of now at least.
Do you like bacon?
I love bacon.